AMALearning, you're about to. Specification point 4.8. Explain selective breeding and its impact on food plants and domesticated animals. To successfully answer any GCSE questions linked to this topic, you will need to know the steps taken to successfully selectively breed, and also the advantages and disadvantages of selectively breeding. Let's now explore selective breeding, a process humans have used for centuries to enhance desirable traits in plants and animals. What is selective breeding? Selective breeding is the process of choosing parent organisms with specific desirable traits to produce offspring that inherit those traits. What happens during selective breeding? Selective breeding involves the following steps. Step 1. Identify individuals with the desirable traits, for example, high milk yielding cows or sweeter fruiting plants, and breed them. Step 2. Select the offspring with the desired characteristics and breed them. Step 3. Repeat over multiple generations until all the offspring show the desired characteristic. What is the positive impact of selective breeding on plants? Number 1. Improved food security. Higher crop yields and livestock outputs improve food security. Number 2. Improved quality. Improved quality leads to better taste, size, or durability, which benefits consumers. Number 3. Disease resistance. Plants can be bred to tolerate specific environmental challenges, like drought resistance in crops. For example, crops like wheat and rice varieties bred for higher yield and disease resistance. What is the positive impact of selective breeding on animals? The following are benefits of selective breeding in animals. Number 1. Enhanced productivity. Higher livestock outputs improve food security. For example, chickens laying bigger eggs. Number 2. Improved quality. Breeding for taste, size, or durability benefits consumers. For example, a larger cow can produce more milk or meat. Number 3. Adaptation to conditions. Animals can be bred to tolerate specific environmental challenges. For example, domestic dogs have a gentle nature which allows them to be kept within a home safely. What are the negative impacts of selective breeding on both plants and animals? Number 1. Reduced genetic diversity. Narrowing the gene pool increases vulnerability to diseases and environmental changes. For example, a disease outbreak could devastate a population of genetically similar crops. Number 2. Ethical concerns. Selective breeding can sometimes lead to health issues in animals. Many pedigree pugs will go on to develop painful, crippling conditions in the pursuit of maintaining show standards. Number 3. Unintended consequences. Overemphasis on one phenotype may lead to neglect of other important traits, like flavor in high-yield crops. In summary, selective breeding has been an invaluable tool in agriculture and industry, improving productivity and quality. However, it's essential to balance the benefits with the risks of reduced genetic diversity and ethical concerns. Let's apply what we have learnt to this past paper question. This question is asking us to describe how race dogs alive today have been selectively bred to run faster. We know the following from our learning. Selective breeding involves the following steps. Step 1. Identify individuals with desirable traits and breed them. In this question, that means selecting the fastest animals. Step 2. Select the offspring with desired characteristics and breed them. Step 3. Repeat over multiple generations until all the offspring show the desired characteristic. If we compare our learning to the mark scheme, we would have achieved marks for every single bullet points. So we would have got full marks. Well done. Our animations were designed by experienced UK-trained teachers. We have been achieving amongst the best results in the country for many years, and we decided it was time to share our success. Have you just AMALed and want to AMAL some more? Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to keep yourself up to date with the latest uploads. AMALearning, you just did.